the government should not use this as a pressure tactic on certain ministers or MLAs or whoever is involved. They should be booked immediately. Chief Minister should come out if he has the report, and these people should step down if they are holding any position. But यें जाता ये समज कोण आहाय आनी पावर आहाय तांकां हे प्रेशर टॅक्टीक कोण भिवपाक हे हो म्हाका दिसता तरी हो प्रयत्न चल्ला म्हणून जोरी तर हे लँड ग्रॅबिंगा केसी इन्वॉल्व आहाय जाल्यार immediately this report should be made public and they should be booked, or on moral grounds they should step down after being blamed. So inga case zale yani case after being named also these people have not stepped down. This was not happening during the Congress regime. People had stepped down pending inquiry. So मुख्यमंत्री नेजेर प्रयत्न करचो की बेगीन हे जे मनीस आहाय हेंका पब्लिका मुखार हाडपाक जाय who are involved, and he should not give police a free hand in this particular SIT case.
युरी बाब समज तर काँग्रेसाचे इन्वॉल्व जाल्यार तुम्ही म्हणटा की
अरे बाबा कोण इन्वॉल्व हांव इन्वॉल्व आहा तू इन्वॉल्व आहा people should be whoever is involved they should be brought to books. Where is the question of Congress or BJP? Culprit is a culprit, they should be booked.